Happy morning, children. In this session, we will be discussing about energy. At the end of this session, you will be knowing what is energy and what is the source of energy, what are the different kinds of energy. Okay, so first let's discuss about energy. We are coming across the word energy many times in our daily life, is it? We need lots of energy to do work, is it? Whatever work we do, we need energy in our body. So from where do we get energy? Is absolutely from the food we take. Okay, the food includes fruits, vegetables, greens, carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, everything, is it? So all these food substances provides energy to our body. With the help of energy, we can do some work. So here I hope you can understand whatever work we do, we need energy in our body, is it? So we can define energy as energy is the ability or capacity to do work. Energy is everywhere in nature, is it? So the sunlight, wind, water, plants and animals are the sources of energy. We use those energy every day, is it? As I said, energy is everywhere in nature. We found light energy and heat energy from the sun, and wind energy, water energy occurring in nature itself, is it? So there is a law of energy that goes like that. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to another form. So this is the law of conservation of energy. Okay, energy cannot be created and cannot be destroyed, but that one form of energy can be converted into another form of energy. Okay, I'll explain you with the example. The first example is, if you want to switch on the light in your room. Okay, so if you are switching on the light means that electrical energy will be converted into light energy. Okay, here electrical energy is converted into light energy. Here we did not create any energy, is it? One form of energy, that is electrical energy, has been converted into light energy. I hope you can understand. I'll give you one more example. Let us consider sunlight. Already you know that sunlight is the ultimate source of all kinds of energy on earth, is it? By using sunlight, plants perform photosynthesis, is it? At the end of the photosynthesis, plants are able to prepare their food, is it? So a chemical reaction is taking place in the plants, so that here light energy of the sun is converted into chemical energy in plants. So here is the conversion of energy, light energy to chemical energy. I hope now it is clear for you. That is the conversion of energy from one form to another form. Okay, children. Now let's move on to different forms of energy. There are different kinds of energy found in nature. Okay, let's see what are they. Mechanical energy, solar energy, the geothermal energy, wind energy, water energy, that is hydropower, light energy, heat energy, sound energy, and so on. Okay, there are different kinds of energy found in nature itself. Let's see one by one. First, we'll discuss about mechanical energy. It is the energy which is possessed by the object due to its motion or due to its position. This mechanical energy is of two types, that are kinetic energy and potential energy. First, let's see about kinetic energy. Okay, energy possessed by an moving object. Okay, energy of an moving object is known as kinetic energy. Energy of an object due to its position is known as potential energy. Potential means energy of position of an object. Okay, P, like that we can remember. Okay, let's understand with an example of each kind of energy. Okay, a moving car possesses mechanical energy due to its motion. So it is an example for kinetic energy. A drawn bow possesses mechanical energy due to its stretched position. So it is an example for potential energy. About other kinds of energies we'll discuss in our next class. Thank you, children.